to do, you know? I have no control over it.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my
aspect of our being, of our essence, but our physical formation, right, changes. It's temporal, but there's certain aspect of ourselves that's it.
I mean, it's like you're climbing a mountain and you fall down.
Sure.
And you decide
I'm coming in.
Well, I mean,
you know, a little of that. I did a little wrong there.
And the Duke would consider hiring us. So
7 to 13% of our brain's capacity. So I do believe that if you concentrate,
to go to a coffee shop or hang out with friends, maybe a living room. I'm more comfortable indoors, but
ever done a Zoom before?
I remember someone wrote that when I did Hollywood Squares, because it was right around when things were a little.
So that's my prop. I have a prop. No, people think I'm high or drunk all the time.
I've never had more fun.
It's amazing, you know. Having fun is having fun is cool, you know.
Hush puppies. I know Sunday brunch specials, and
Extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging and
you ready?
I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.